Knee pain after the age of 60 is usually caused by muscle weakness, joint stiffness, and reduced flexibility. The goal of these exercises is not just to reduce pain, but to improve strength, support the knee joint, and restore safe movement. Do all exercises slowly. Avoid any sudden movement, and if you feel sharp pain, stop immediately. Exercise 1. Straight leg raise. Lie down comfortably on your back on a flat surface. Keep one leg bent with your foot flat on the ground. The other leg should remain straight. Now, tighten the muscles of your straight leg, especially the thigh muscle. Slowly lift that leg up, about 10 to 12 inches from the ground. Do not rush this movement. Hold the position for 3 to 5 seconds. You should feel your thigh muscles working, but no pain in the knee. Now, slowly lower the leg back down with full control. Do not drop it. Repeat this 10 times, then switch to the other leg. This exercise strengthens the quadriceps muscle, which plays a major role in supporting the knee joint. Exercise 2. Seated knee extension. Sit on a chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Make sure your knees are bent at a comfortable angle. Now, slowly lift one foot off the ground and extend your leg forward until it becomes straight. Keep your toes pointing upward. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds. Focus on tightening the front thigh muscle. Now, slowly bring your leg back down. Avoid any jerky movement. Repeat this 10 to 12 times, then switch legs. This exercise improves knee control and strengthens the muscles needed for walking and standing. Exercise 3. Heel slides. Lie down on your back with both legs straight. Relax your body. Now, slowly slide one heel toward your body, bending your knee gently. Go only as far as you feel comfortable. Do not force the movement. Hold for a moment at the maximum bend. Then, slowly slide your leg back to the starting position. Keep the movement smooth and controlled. Repeat this 10 times, then switch legs. This helps improve joint flexibility and reduces stiffness inside the knee. Exercise 4. Standing hamstring curl. Stand straight and hold onto a chair, wall, or table for balance. Keep your knees close together. Now, slowly bend one knee, bringing your heel toward your back. Do not lift your thigh forward, only bend from the knee. Hold this position for 3 seconds. You should feel a gentle contraction in the back of your thigh. Now, slowly lower your foot back down. Repeat this 10 times on each leg. This strengthens the hamstring muscles, which help stabilize and support the knee joint. Exercise 5. Wall squat modified. Stand with your back flat against a wall. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart and slightly away from the wall. Now, slowly slide your back down the wall, as if you were trying to sit on an invisible chair. Go only halfway down, do not go too low. Make sure your knees do not go beyond your toes. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Then, slowly push yourself back up to standing position. Repeat this 8 to 10 times. This exercise strengthens the thighs, hips, and improves knee stability. Start slowly. Even 5 to 10 minutes daily is enough in the beginning. Focus on consistency, not intensity. Over time, these exercises can help reduce pain, improve movement, and support your knees in daily life. If you have severe pain, swelling, or a medical condition, consult a healthcare professional before starting.